Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to replace the side mirror on your Audi Q7. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a plastic pry tool, a set of Torx drivers, and of course, your new mirror assembly. Safety is key, so make sure your vehicle is turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. It's also a good idea to use some painter's tape around the mirror base to protect your car's finish during the process. Now, let's move on to removing the old mirror. Begin by gently prying off the mirror glass itself. Use your plastic pry tool to work around the edges, releasing the clips. Once the glass is free, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors for heating or auto-dimming. Next, you'll need to remove the inner door panel to reach the mirror's mounting bolts. After the panel is off, locate and unscrew the 3 or 4 Torx bolts that secure the entire mirror assembly to the door frame. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install your new one. First, carefully position the new mirror assembly onto the door's mounting points. Once aligned, secure it firmly by tightening the 3 or 4 Torx bolts you removed earlier. Next, reconnect all the electrical harnesses to the new mirror, ensuring each connection is snug. Finally, carefully reattach the mirror glass, pressing it gently until you hear it click securely into its housing. This ensures proper function and stability. For our final steps, let's reassemble and test. Begin by reinstalling the inner door panel, making sure all clips and screws are securely fastened. Then, turn on your vehicle and thoroughly test all the new mirror's electronic functions. Check the mirror adjustment in all directions, and if applicable, verify the heating element, turn signal, and puddle light are working. Once everything is confirmed operational, give the mirror and surrounding area a quick clean for a perfectly finished professional look. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.